All right. So in the last video, I talked about how I found that I had like 3 bad coil packs. So I was tossing around the idea of doing the LS coil pack conversion, but the only thing that I really didn't like is that I had to, on the 1JZ, since it's not like the 2JZ that has an open head for where the coil packs go, would have had to pretty much make the hole from like this to like that. And I wasn't really about that. I was like, you know what? For the same pretty much price, I can get a much better coil, so I might as well just do that. And I feel, I don't know, it's like one of those things, stay in the ecosystem. Everything on the car right now is AEM, so might as well just go with the AEM smart coils, the high output coils. These are pretty much the best coils on the market. They are the highest output. I think they're like 100 millijoules. I think the LS ones are like 30 something. So they're a great coil. Relatively the same price as the LS conversion. And if you see right here, that's where I would have had the notch. So I would have had to elongate this towards the valve cover and that towards the valve cover. And I'm not all about that at all. And along with that, called up Wiring Specialties. They sent me out a awesome, super fast shipping on the conversion kit. So it hooks up to my factory one and then it deletes the igniter. It's another thing that's a benefit, just deleting that igniter. Not ideal in my eyes. I'd rather just get rid of all that, make it simple. Even more in the ecosystem now. And it's just, I feel a much better coil. So, staying in, I love it. And hopefully today I get my billet valley cover plate that mounts these and the wire kit. So hopefully I could start it today, but I'm waiting on UPS right now. It's the only thing I'm really waiting on. So hopefully, let's see, it's right now it is 8:50. So usually UPS does show up around 10. So let's hope around 10 o'clock we're able to get that in and wire it up and try to fire it up, because I cannot wait for this thing to fire up. Had the battery on the charger this whole time just because I just bought this battery. I don't want it to go bad. Updates on the car, not really much since last time. Last time found out I was a bad coil. I did verify that my ECU timing was on point to where it was. So I grabbed my timing light. I was able to verify ECU was output in 9 degrees. Right here, it was at 9 degrees, so that's awesome. So it's a good sign. That's how I figured it's, hey, let me test these coil packs. Found the 3 back cylinders were burnt. They had a little burn on the connector, but I didn't think anything of it just because I was like, I don't know if they work or not. Found out they're bad, so converted to these. A lot more readily available. I think Turn 14 had like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them, so better than JZ coils that you got to call Toyota or go online and buy them and wait days and days and days. So Turn 14 is crazy. If you live on the East Coast, that's literally the best thing that ever came about. And yeah, I'm gonna try to see, maybe I'll put the other side window in. No real point of putting this side Lex in. Why not? Do need a windshield. Still seeing if I want to do the windshield myself or just call somebody out. I might just call somebody out, have them slap it in. Because once this car fires up, I'm going to tow it to Stronghand Performance to get the downpipe done. And then it's going right over to Carl Pritz at KP Tuning to get tuned. Because if you don't get your car tuned by KP, is it really tuned? No, it's not. It's not tuned. So, yeah. And then we'll be driving her. I'm hoping by I'm thinking like late January over at KP Tuning getting tuned. Yeah, I think that's realistic. I want to be realistic here. Still got a lot of work to do on this thing. It's one of those cars that you're like, oh, I'll do this now, I'll do this now, I'll do this now. All right, so let me try to get these windows in. Stop talking. All right. You gotta make sure it's recording.
Oh, it's already recording.
Yeah, there you go.
What's up? What you doing, dog?
Forgot to start recording, putting the bumper on. A little late. Putting the lip on. See, I always want to go hardcore and just go brrrr. I did that. On this one, I went through. Bought this bumper from ECS. It's usually where that's where I bought my last one from, and I liked the fitment. And it seemed like everywhere was back ordered. Everywhere I went, eBay, Amazon, and I'm not paying fucking $800 for a E36 bumper from BMW. So. Dude, that lip's strong. That's what I like to see. That's all Johnny's. Yeah, we got 2 over there? Just 2?
Yeah.
Or
3.
3? 3? Fuck, I'm missing a nut. I mean, a screw.
Well, no, because you didn't put one in there. So
but you said you had 3 over there.
Well, there's 1 here. So then just 2. Just do these 2.
Yeah, but they gave me not enough screws. I need to put a bad review.
Maybe not supposed. I don't know.
You're supposed to. It better have all the fucking screws.
Yeah. Paint came out good.
Ain't come out bad. Not bad for an outside paint job. Dude, I'm pissed and fucking missing nut. That's junk. That's junk, dude. Oh my god. I can't believe that. Oh. Alright. So now, hold it. Now you can flip it over and put it on the bottom. It shouldn't move. Yeah, there you go. Alright. I guess I won't be able to run that for now. I gotta find a 10 mil. I don't think I have a deep 10 mil. 9. This box of wrenches. Now I gotta remove the fucking intercooler. Because, yeah, I'm pretty sure this goes. I don't remember. We gonna find out. Dude, this sucks. Where's my. I need a deep socket. I'm already pissed.
On a ratchet?
Yeah.
Find it.
Or like, just like somewhat. It doesn't have to be crazy deep.
It's a 10 mil?
Yeah.
Got a 3/8 ratchet.
That's fine. Oh no, we got 10 right here.
You got it?
I think so. Yeah, we're good.
Get into it.
Dude, I'm pissed. Even this sucks. I don't know where my friggin' drill went.
The one you were just using?
Yeah. No, a different one. Because that one, I don't have a 1/4-inch adapter on. I don't know where that drill went. I hope the the mail people come in today. Because I bought it from this place, but they gave me no tracking on it. Like, even to this day, it says no tracking. But
the bracket?
It's a bracket and a plug wire, because I'm at plug wires for these. Because before it was coil and plug, but now I'm have to have plug wires. But I'm waiting on the bracket so I can mount them, and then I have to get the plug wires. I don't know if they're pre-made or not, so I bought a crimper just in case. But the girl, I called the postal service, and they said that the guy who shipped it made the postal stamp says it's for delivery today. And I kept emailing the guy, and he said, yes, shipped out, shipped out, shipped out. So I'm praying it comes today. But I got no idea. Holy shit.
Put that on too tight.
Well, I put it on with a gun.
Oh.
I had a gun. Ain't got it no more. Holy shit. That shit's on there, dude. Whew, I gotta take a break. Dude, where did that go? I know I have it. It's probably in my car. Yeah, it's in the car. There. Oh,
Dang. The paint.
what paint?
I don't know, you dropped something.
That's the interior paint. It's already coming off. Alrighty. Nope.
Jesus.
Dude!
You must have cross-threaded it.
Holy Jesus. Alrighty. We're gonna have to improvise here.
Here. Can you put that on this?
Is that 10?
No.
Hey. You didn't give me a 10?
Let's give them a little sneak peek of what they're gonna see later on the channel.
Oh, they already saw that.
Oh yeah? Don't look like much right now.
Jeez. Dude, this is shallow too. Dude, this isn't even a freaking 10! It's in the wrong spot. Oh my god. Classic Dino. He never puts them back in the right spot. Where the frick did the 8 even go? Where does it even come from? So both 10s gone.
If anyone wants to donate a 10 mil socket to Ricky Whips.
There you go. Now we got it. I don't know if this is gonna be deep enough though. It better be up. Just for it not to fit. Great. Okay. Go in there. Get not even a millimeter of threads in. Yeah.
Now put the glue on it. Oh!
Okay. Jesus, I'm getting old. Alrighty. So I don't remember which. Pass me the other one. What does that look like? The one that has the toe hook is this side. One of them has a toe hook.
You taking the intercooler all the way
Which
out?
one has the toe hook? Oh, this one. Duh. It's fucking. And I think this side goes up. I don't think so. Uh-oh. There we go. No, I'm not. Fuck them.
Oh, the nut just had to go.
Now I need an extension. I'm gonna have to use this junk. Do I have a 1/4 inch? No, it's 3/8. Yeah, it's gonna stink, boys. Then you got the buzz on.
You already know. The steel toe.
Ew, really?
Yeah.
Then you got Schwunner.
I needed them for the diesel shop. Oh my god.
Oh, jeez.
We might have to evacuate.
It's gonna smell worse than we started Dino's car.
Are you still gonna be able to run this with those
Oh, no.
coil?
No.
Damn.
Oh,
It looks good.
I know, I'll sell it. Whoever wants it. Nobody wants it. See, that stinks.
I'll buy it for my M54.
Oh, so you having that?
Yeah. 200K.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad.
It is bad.
200,000 miles?
Yeah.
I don't think it's that bad.
Oh, I got an appointment at the dealership on Friday.
Recall?
Airbags.
Are you taking a loaner?
No.
Why?
Because you have to be 24.
You do? Oh, no.
And also, I have work, so I'm just going to drop it off before work, walk to work, and then pick it up after work.
That was like the worst dealer I went to. Because I had to get my airbag recalled on.
Yeah, it looks horrible.
What?
That dealership.
Well, no.
Compared to
I wanted,
Audi and...
I wanted to go there before work. So I got there at... I forget when I got there. I think I got there at like 6:30.
They're not open.
No, they open at 7.
Yeah.
So I was like, there's guys there. I was like, can anybody help me? They know we open at 7. I'm like, I know, if you can't just take my car and give me a loaner real quick, like, I gotta go to work. Nope. They helped me at 7:00:00. That's when they came out of the door. I'm like, are you guys serious right now? I was not a happy customer. But they gave me a brand new G30, whatever it is.
G30?
Like the brand new 3 Series. Junk.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was junk.
You beat on it?
No, I didn't care. I dropped off my M3 for a 4-cylinder 3 Series. Yeah, I didn't care to beat on it. You already got the bolts in?
No, I don't even know where the bolts are.
Dude, they're right here.
Oh. My bad.
The frig.
Did I hear a car door?
That's what I thought I heard too. It got real quiet. I was like, I think I heard a car door.
Why don't you use the gun?
I don't think it reaches. Well, I know it doesn't reach. Didn't reach on the one I just did.
Makes sense. We're gonna have to push it back a little bit.
Hopefully it's UPS. I mean, the
Do
post
they pull
office.
all the way up?
No. But they get out at the front.
UPS just drove by.
UPS or
Yeah.
USPS?
UPS.
The brown boy. I don't think it dropped off from them. What?
10 minute.
Yeah, I'm out here grinding. Look at this fucking ratchet game. Flat rate. I'll tell you one thing. My girl's cool as fuck because she always lets me come and work on this jalop and she don't get mad. Because I'm always here. Every weekend. I always feel bad. I gotta get this done though. She supports it. She tells me the same thing. You gotta get that thing done. Oh yeah, it looks good. Right?
Yeah, it's hot.
I like it.
Looks like E36.
Yeah, finally.